Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are on the banks of River Vistula, and basically it's an initiative from my company to help the rangers in the area to clean Vistula, and we are here. I'm here with my wife to do some cleaning of the river. I'll show you around. I hope you like my videos, so enjoy this one as well. So we have a lot of Equinix employees out here, and more coming up. This guy with the Jeep, the Land Rover, is our organizer, and here is the bag for the t-shirt. Eva is giving out t-shirts to everyone. So we got the t-shirt. So these are the equipments for gathering the rubbish. As well, we have the gloves for everyone, some water in the background, and these are the sizes, basically 7, 8, 9, 10.
Fundacja Wisła na kolejnej już z Wami akcji wolontariatu sprzątania obszaru Natura 2000 Dolina Środkowej Wisły. Będziemy działać tutaj nad Wisłą w bardzo ważnym dla wszystkich nas rejonie, czyli w rejonie, z którego Warszawa pobiera wodę do picia. Tak? Każdy śmieć, który stąd zabierze.
So now everybody is getting a bag and a set of gloves to wear, and after some time we'll go into the jungle to pick up some garbage and a bucket. So the plastic bucket is for the metal and the glass, and the plastic bag is for the bottles and other kind of bottles. So metal and glass will go into this bucket. Picking up garbage from the jungle. So we found some glass spring from the mattress, some bottle of medicine, and some plastic in this one. Just finished the picking, most of it, and there is still 1.5 hours to go. We have collected a lot of bags of garbage, and we are going again into the jungle. And what I was thinking is to go near that bridge, because a lot of people throw garbage near the bridges, so I'm expecting a lot of garbage out there. Let's check it out. It's a deep jungle. There are a lot of rose plants inside, and with a lot of thorns in them that are sticking to your clothes and really rashing the skin. So these trees, they all have thorns, and as you can see, this one got stuck to my jeans and it's tearing it off. So I'll try to take it off carefully. I hope nobody else would jump on these. All these trees have thorns in them. As well, there are roses around. So the train is very dangerous. Got to be very careful. So this is my 5th round, and I'm collecting a lot of garbage. Let's go to the dumping place. Now everybody is done with the works and they're washing hands out there. And we are here having a group photograph with all this garbage around. And here is some food, and people are already carrying the tables, and we will go inside the jungle to make some barbecue and have some nice food. So we are finally besides Vistula river, and here is our barbecue place, and it's gonna be amazing. So everyone is getting ready. We got some tea, juice, some bread, a lot of food to enjoy. So here's everyone. There's the barbecue. Everyone is having. We had baked potatoes and breads and apples, bananas, ogurek. We have coffee and juices. Looks really colorful and awesome. So we just said goodbye to everyone, and now we are heading towards the car. So see you next time. Until then, enjoy. Have a nice time. Bye bye.